your feet suck and your arch is weak, I'm gonna show you how to strengthen it. We have a muscle that goes behind the shin bone, behind the calf, and attaches down here and it pulls that arch up and it strengthens it. So we're gonna show you how to strengthen it, and here's how. You're gonna grab a band. You can do this sitting on the ground, sitting in a chair with the leg up. It doesn't matter what your position is as long as you have the band and you're pulling it away from the foot, and now you're gonna bring the foot down and in. Down and in. This is the exact motion that this muscle was designed to do, and it's going to help pull that up, pull that arch up and reinforce it. Another exercise we're going to do, you can grab a lacrosse ball, tennis ball, a baseball, doesn't matter, and we're going to put it right in between the heels. We're going to pinch the heels, and now we're going to perform calf raises. Once again, this is causing that muscle to squeeze, contract, and it's going to give you a stronger, healthier arch, so you're not dealing with any more of those foot issues. Give these a try.